I did it for the vlog. I can't swim. We're back to big chillin'. Oh no, I got into this and now I can't get out of it. They call me Scuba Juge, and I'm about to do a Danish blast. For all you zombies out there, the big Danish is on the move.
We ain't getting copyrighted today.
Feels like I'm up there with the planets, like I'm a million miles away. I'm sky high, no lie, it's a kinetic kind of vibe. It makes me feel some type of way. Picture perfect supersonic kind of
Alright everyone, we're back to big chillin'. I can't swim. I'm trying to get to the shallow end. Okay, they said this thing could be dunked. Let's try it. Now I can't get out of it. Oh no, I got into this and now I can't get out of it. Alright, here we go. Say happy 4th.
Happy 4th.
What's up, guys? So, I decided to jump in the pool today, do the big chillin', and I'm having a great time. My wife is over here chillin'. So, I just wanted to ask you guys if any of you are swimmers out there. My wife was a swimmer in college. She swam Division I, so she was pretty good. She did breaststroke, right? Breaststroke, and put her on for a second, and I eat chicken breasts. That was weird.
What'd you say?
I said my wife was a Division I swimmer. She swam breaststroke, and I eat chicken breasts. More like chicken thighs. Okay, but all that to say, I'm not fully confident as a swimmer. She's very passionate about people learning how to swim, which rightfully so. I am still in the phase, like, I feel like I can swim, but I'm not great at, like, kicking my legs and everything. So I'll do a quick little lap so you can kind of see. How was that?
I mean, you have like a good strokes, but you sink.
Well, how do I not sink?
You have to. It's not about your upper body; it's about your whole body.
Yeah.
You need to focus first before your arms and your legs on your core, and like your body line and position.
I don't know how that looked, but she said I gotta focus on my what?
Your body line.
My body line and position. So, I'm learning. We used to go to this gym for a little bit when she was training for a competition, and I started to kind of get the hang of it, I think. Maybe not, but I did it, and it was fun, and I love swimming, but I feel like I gotta get like doggy paddling down first.
You have to learn how to tread water.
Tread water.
That's the most essential skill.
The most essential skill is learning how to tread water. So I'm in shallow water right now, but
Yeah, no.
So, on a serious note though, the reason why I want to learn how to swim is because my mom had 2 brothers that passed away from drowning incidents. I never met them. This was very early on. But my grandma was always like very strict about her grandkids and kids like going to any kind of water stuff, which kind of like hurt us in the sense of learning how to swim. So my parents never really pushed back on that. My dad was a good swimmer though, but I want, if we ever have kids, them to learn how to swim for sure. That I know that's her number one thing. It's like they're gonna learn how to swim. I think I'm a little more scared, but scared by like association, because that there's a lot of things in my life that I'm scared of by association, or just by like somebody kind of putting that fear in me and me never really experiencing it myself. So that is my why, to want to learn how to swim, so I can, be able to take care of myself in the water and be safe and learn how to do it in a safe way, I guess. But yeah, so water can be scary for a lot of people. I'm not afraid of water. I think I was more like made to feel afraid of it. So we're gonna change that. All right. All right, we're gonna play around with this thing here. Here we go. All right, here we go. All right, Will. He's got his GoPro, and we're just having some underwater fun. Now it's water gun time. It's okay, you'll respawn. Alright, I did it for the vlog. This is what you call big chillin'. It was all a dream. I used to read Word Up magazine. Now I vlog in the limousine. The bigs. Did I make it? Okay, that was left-handed. It was all a dream. I used to read Vlog magazine. Now I'm vlogging in the ocean green. Okay. Ooh, you know what would be so cool? Is every comment should be a bar. So every comment you guys leave will be a line in a rap song.
Do they have to build off each other?
And it doesn't have to build off of each other, but like keep it positive, good line in the rap in the comment section, as far as leave a bar and I'll try to rap it. That'd be sick. Hey, chillin'. For all you zombies out there, the big Danish is on the move. Get some.
Please don't.
I'm wearing these out. Get my whole outfit. go in the sun.
Let's get my outfit in the sun.
That is hysterical.
I don't want to put socks on. All right, I got these on. I think it was Boohoo Man. How do you stand? Like, how do the girls do it? Like, how do they do it?
Good God.
Okay, are they too crazy?
I mean,
There's something.
I mean, to go to Snowtop with not having to put socks on.
you just do you, I guess.
These are dope.
I can't offer much more.
We're having a snowtop vlog.
Snowtop vlog. We're going to Snowtop ice cream.
What's called we
We're
going?
both vlogging. We got starting them young.
I didn't start
Starting
yet.
them young.
Didn't start yet.
Snowtop vlog.
Snowtop vlog.
I was gonna say I'm gonna get probably like vanilla with some marshmallow sauce, and then yeah, don't they have marshmallow sauce or marshmallow?
I don't know about that.
I
No,
think
they
that's the
probably
first
do.
time I ever had it there.
Wait, no. I want.
Yeah, like a marshmallow something.
Oh.
Interesting.
I'm gonna get that marshmallow Danish.
We ain't
Like, I
getting
want that
copyrighted
house.
today.
We're about to get some ice cream at this little spot. I'm gonna show you the spot in a second.
I'm gonna get vanilla.
All right, let's do it.
Are you getting
On a
vanilla?
cone? On a cone?
Maybe.
I might get mine on
Vanilla
a
on a cone.
cone. Okay, here we go.
What are you gonna get?
I don't know yet. Let's see what they got in the pictures.
A vanilla black raspberry twist in a cone. We already ordered it, but she's making yours.
Yes. What do you got there?
There's worms in the dirt. Worms in the dirt.
Worms in the dirt.
Worms in the dirt.
Nice.
Yeah. You know people in Rhode Island call sprinkles jimmies?
No.
Jimmy's?
We would have to ask for it with jimmies.
That's so weird.
It's kind of strange.
That's actually a pretty fun way to say it, though. Yeah, throw some Jimmys on there for me.
Mm-hmm. You
Little
ever mess up?
couple extra Jimmys. Anybody else call these Jimmys?
Yep. There you go.
All right, we're making our way through this. We got all the Jimmys off. Now we're just working on
Okay,
the
so
rest of the cream and then the cone. I would say this is what it's all about. There's all these moments in life that are happening for a lot of us, right? Some of them might feel a little bit more exciting than others. Like some of us might be on really cool trips. Some of us might be capturing our daily life. And then a lot of us have like just small downtime that we have where we're like, let's just go to the store, or let's go get some ice cream, and you can make something out of it. I sat in the bleachers at a high school and ate Chick-fil-A. So that goes to tell you, like, you can do anything. You can vlog any type of way, and you can have fun with it. It doesn't have to sit there and take away from the moment where you're trying to set up all these different angles and everything. The best thing that I like to do now, as I've been growing on here and telling more stories, is that you just film anything, right? You film everything you can, and then when you get to post, if you have time, you can put the story together there. So that's it. That's what I want to leave you with. And Will, can you say stay human and then put your hand in front of the camera?
Stay human.